In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Reddit ad creative. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into Reddit's ads manager, choose the right format, polish your creative, and publish with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for Reddit ads. From the results page, click the official Reddit ads link to head straight to the ads manager. Once you're there, select Log In. If you already have a personal Reddit account, you can use it to access the ads manager. If you're new to Reddit, choose Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account. Make sure you have access to the email you use so you can verify your account if needed. After you're in, look for the option to create something new and click the plus. Create Campaign button. In the left sidebar, you'll see controls related to your campaign. Choose New Ad to start building your creative. This is where you'll select the format that best fits your message and the way Redditors naturally browse content. Reddit offers several formats designed to blend in with the platform's organic feel. Image ads use a single image with a headline and a call to action, perfect for a clear, focused value proposition. Video ads autoplay without sound by default, so add captions or on-screen text to make the story work silently. Square, portrait, or landscape ratios are all supported. If you need to show multiple benefits or a sequence, carousel ads let you add 2 to 6 swipeable cards, great for step-by-step storytelling or comparisons. For the most native look, freeform ads allow a mix of text, images, and GIFs that mimic a standard community post, ideal when you want to spark discussion. Before you move on, manually verify that the thumbnail matches your intended creative. The Ads Manager doesn't always update thumbnails when you swap files, so take a moment to check what users will see first. Next, write a compelling headline, up to 300 characters. Keep it conversational, avoid all caps and clickbait, and consider tasteful emojis to improve readability and click-throughs. Then, pick a button that matches your goal. Options like Learn More, Sign Up, or Shop. Now help set the right expectation. Add your destination URL, the landing page you want users to visit. Enable. Add source parameters to automatically tag traffic with UTM source Reddit, and add tags like UTM campaign or RDTCID for more precise analytics. Consistent naming will make reporting much easier. Decide whether to allow comments. Turning them on can boost trust and make your ad feel organic, but plan to monitor and respond thoughtfully. When everything looks good, click. Review to double-check your assets, headline, URL, and tracking, then publish. Your Reddit ad creative is ready to go live.